Hey, how's it going? I'm Wombat. I hike in Kyushu, Japan, and it's a hot summer. So I've decided I'm gonna do a kind of night hike. Well, it's evening. It's about 6 p.m. and I want to see the night view from the top of this mountain, Komonjiyama. Let's do it. It doesn't feel much cooler than the daytime, to be honest. Sweating like crazy. Whew. I'm pretty knackered, but it's just starting to open up. We're on the home stretch. Matcha cup noodle. I don't recommend it. Not very good. Just starting to get cooler now. It's nice. What we have over here is Kamon Strait. Just over there is Mount Adachi. Big mountain in the distance over there is Mount Sarakura. And down here is Kokura City. Hot August night, and the leaves hanging down, and the grass on the ground, smelling sweet. Alright, it's 8 o'clock now. Let's see what we got. Beautiful. Mission accomplished. Now I have to try and see if I can make my way back down in the night. Going a slightly easier route, so I should be fine. Okay guys, I made it safely back to the car. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next hike. Bye.